Place the towel warmer on a flat and stable surface. Open the lid. Throw your towel into the machine. Make sure the towel is dry and try to arrange it in a fluffy way. Then close the lid. Plug the unit in. Press the power button. The machine starts to work. The default working time is 60 minutes. And the default working mode is high heat. Press the timer button to adjust the desired working time. The remaining working time will be shown on the display. Press the high heat or low heat button to adjust the heating power mode. The corresponding button will light up after being pressed. When the temperature inside the machine is higher than 120 Fahrenheit, the high heat or low heat buttons will turn red. Please do not touch the internal surface with your hands. When the countdown on the display is completed, the machine will stop working. Press the power button to turn off the unit.